Hello everyone, welcome to our final instalment of our mini-series showcasing Copilot for M365's features. In this part, we're going to be showing the power of recapping and listing action items of a Teams meeting. To perform this, we're going to click the Copilot icon, and we're going to ask Copilot to recap the meeting. So in seconds, Copilot has gone through the transcript of the meeting and has picked out all of the key points. So Copilot has said that the main points discussed were that the tone and voice of the social media content that we were discussing should have a conversational yet authoritative tone, and to invite the audience into a conversation about the future of work. It's also picked up that we were talking about a webinar and what we wanted the format and the date to be, which we decided would be a blend of presentation, demo, and a Q&A, and that we'd also scheduled it for Thursday the 15th. This is especially helpful if you've missed part of a meeting, joined late, or you want a summary of the meeting. So next, we're going to look at action items. We're going to be clicking tell Copilot to list some action items. So not only has Copilot been able to pick out some action items, it's able to decipher who the action item is actually for. So Owen, in this case, one of his action items would be to create short, engaging posts highlighting the key benefits of Microsoft's M365 Copilot and incorporating customer testimonials. Something for Stevie and Owen is to set the date and format of the webinar and include a presentation, demo, and a Q&A session, and involve the COE in a technical deep dive and create tailored content piece for them, such as a case study or a white paper. As I'm sure you can see, this is an extremely valuable tool in terms of return on investment and time savings to have Copilot summarize notes for you that could be sent in a follow-up email. These two features can also expand your own understanding and recollection of meeting details even days or weeks later. So I hope you've enjoyed this mini-series and thank you for joining me. I hope that you found this beneficial.